Hello to you. I'm Jesse Johnson. This is the Universal Institution of Science. Its structure and basics only. Please share this video and subscribe. The word science means to know, and to have a means to get to know. The word science and the word demon, D-E-M-O-N, are identical in major parts and definitions. Both word definitions are given in this presentation. Whatsoever you and or every living being factually know, not guess, presume, assume, conjecture, opinionate, believe, hypothesize, or theorize, but know, is science or demon. Religions have negativized the word science and demon because science and demon will not agree with religious false propositions, many of them at least. To know is to be 100% certain of a thing, not 99% or less, but 100% certain. Such as, the earth is flat. This is 100% certain. Why? Because it's a fact. This is so easy to demonstrate. Why? Because it's true. Now, let's begin. The Universal Institution of Science, its structure, complexity, and basics. Science is in the top 5 of the most powerful universal institutions of humanity, of our kind. Let's continue, please. Definitions of demon, science, and know, with 2 points on atheism. Now, we'll start with A, which is in yellow here. The word demon, original meaning of the word. The word demon was negativized and evilized by religions. Now, number 1. Demon, the word demon means, in section A, 1, a person or being having great skill or compassion. 2, a guiding beneficial spirit or angel. Number 3, inspired, inspiration, governing power, to be endowed with knowledge of science. 4, a great intelligence, a divine spirit, a jinn, a genie, very learned, efficient knowledge. Number 5, a genius, someone of immense mental clarity, of great mental power. Number 6, divinity, a beneficial influence, a being loving divinity. We'll go to section 2. Number 7, capable of showing proof of something, showing by experiment or test, reasoning. 8, capable of explaining, making clear by example. Number 9, capable of showing the operation or workings of. Number 10, to show by proof, proving, evidence, or founded ideas, or logic. Number 11, the science of acts, of processes, or means of making evident or proving. Let's continue, please. Let's continue. Number 12, an explanation by example, experiment, or practical showing of use of how a thing or process works. Number 13, in math or logic, the process of proving certain result following from certain premises and or processes. Number 14, methods or means proceeding by affirmative propositions to a correct conclusion. Number 15, having the power to show by clearness and certainty. Number 16, giving evident and conclusive proof by skill, abilities, methods, and techniques. We'll go to the third section. Number 17, the sciences of demon. The science of evidence and proof, 100% confidence of certainty. Number 18, a person, a spirit, or a thing that gives guide and guidance by proof, exhibition, method, process, founded explanation, application, advantages, merits of experience or evidence. Number 19, to describe, explain, illustrate by examples, specimens, experiments. We'll go to the fourth section. 20, to establish by fact or reason, to prove. Number 21, a thing of divine nature, indwelling spirit or genius. Let's go to B. Science, the definition of science, which means basically to know, to be 100% certain of a thing. We'll start with number 1. To know, a state or a fact of knowing. Number 2, to know, to have 100% certainty of a thing. To have knowledge, Systematized knowledge derived from observation, study, experimentation, tests carried out to determine nature or principles of what's being studied. Number 5, a branch of knowledge or study by methods, systemizing facts, principles, fundamentals by experiments, experience, proving hypotheses, etc. Number 6, training, discipline, learning, experiment, proof, evidence of something found to be true or false, systematic and exact, trained to observe, study dealing with body of facts and truths arranged to show the structure, dynamics, statics, organization, principles, laws, fundamentals, operations of specifics, and general and universal laws, etc. Number 9, theory, the largest scientific body of facts that substantiates a subject area. Number 10, methods of research, tests, exacting repeatable experiments, techniques of which a problem is identified, isolated, relevant data gathered, formulations produced, hypotheses pragmatically and empirically tested, etc. Let's please continue. We'll go to C, to know. The word know, which to know. We'll start with 1. To perceive with 100% certainty. Number 2, to understand with 100% clarity. To be 100% sure of with 100% doubtlessness. To be totally aware of. To have securely in memory. Number 6, to 100% be certain from skill, training, experiments. To recognize as true or false. To have 100% confidence in the truth or falsehood of. To have 100% proof and evidence of a matter, to be sure of, aware of, informed of, the fact or the act or fact of absolute clear understanding, practical experience or skill. Number 13, theory, the largest body of facts accumulated of a thing. Number 14, to have 100% certainty of a thing. Number 15, to know, to have 100% proof, 100% valid and sound factual evidence for. Now, we'll go to atheism, the foundations of atheism, that is. There are 2 forms of atheism. Number 1, conventional atheism, and 2, esoteric atheism. We'll go to conventional atheism, which is founded on 2 principles. Number 1, scientism, which is the belief and attitudes of scientists in that scientific methods and means should be applied to all other fields of human inquiry and learning. Number 2, scientific materialism, the belief and philosophies is that all that is physical or material only, such as so-called objects, energy compositions, vibrations with their frequencies, and field states, etc. Let's continue, please. The three universal subject areas of science: physical science, life science, spiritual science. We'll start with physical. Number 1, physics. There are 4 levels to physics: classical, modern, Tesla, Johnson. Number 2, also the study of the heavens and the earth, astrology. Number 3, chemistry, basic, intermediate, advanced, post-advanced. 4, geology, such as the lithoplane, atmoplane, H2O plane. Number 5, complex mechanics, such as TVs, computers, phones, EPSs, electropropulsion ships, that is, flying saucers, that is. All flying saucers are made by humans, 100%. There are no aliens from outer space, and there is no alien flying saucers. Now, also included in the number 5 is voltage sinks, etc. Number 6, subatoms, atoms, electromagnetic waves, frequencies, statics, dynamics, electric field, magnetic field, ether field, force, energy, etc. This is the world of the physical, seen from a certain point of view. Now let's continue. Life sciences. We'll start with number 1. Biology has many subdivisions. Number 2, biochemistry in organic and chemistry. Organic chemistry. Let's see. Number 3, ecology, which includes biomes, habitats, biogeographies, taxonomy, sociologies of all different species, all approximate 1.45 million different species, each one. They're sociologists. Number 4, evolutionary development or developmental evolution, which includes general evolution and special evolution of 1.5 million species present, categorized, about 340,000 plants, about 970,000, that's 970, but it's 970,000 animal species have been categorized, about 80,000 bacteria, microscopic, about 10,000 fungi, 0 viruses. Viruses do not exist, to my knowledge. It is political propaganda to control the masses by fear and control their minds. Number 5, Gestalt, life as a whole, that's what that means, Gestalt, life as a whole on Earth, the bioplane, universal life. This includes micro as well as macro life. Number 6, taxonomy, the cataloging and categorization of all life using 11 universal category levels. We'll go to spiritual science, which includes number 1, meditation. Exoteric, I put exotic, but it means exoteric. Exoteric forms, basic and 110 to 120 meditation forms. Methods, let's see, number 2, books by teachers. Number 3, experiments and tests on meditation person to see what differences meditation makes on the human body and the human frame and so forth. Hold on. Now let's continue. To know is 100% absolute. To believe is relative. Number 1, science, which means to know. Science is in everything and everything is in science. Number 2, all living beings know something. All living beings are scientists, which means to know. 3, there is no God, no religion, no belief or belief in knowing. 4, why go through life believing when you can know? 5, if it doesn't agree with experiment and test, it's wrong. Just that simple. It's wrong. It must agree with that which is actual and real to be factual. Now let's continue. The universal institution of science, which is knowledge, knowing, and to know, is in everything, and there is everything there is of our species. Column A, you have science written all the way down, all 1 through 11 times. Column B, you have all the other 11 universal institutions. Science overlaps every other institution 15 to 20%. There's science in every single thing we know, we do, we are, we think, and so forth. Now, science overlaps art 10 to 20%. Science overlaps economics 10 to 20%. Science overlaps education 10 to 20%. Overlaps family 10 to 20%. Overlaps law. Overlaps medical. Overlaps mass media 10 to 20%. Overlaps politics. Overlaps poverty. Overlaps religion. Overlaps spiritual 10 to 20%. There's science in there's knowledge and knowing in every single institution. Every single thing. Science in it, knowing in it, knowledge in it. Now we'll go to life sciences. This is mainly social, but not completely social. But nonetheless, number 1, sociology of each species of 1.45 million species, known, noted, and cataloged, microscopic and macroscopic life, by colonies of, by communities of, by habitats of, ecologies of, etc. Number 2, the scientific study of each species. Number 3, the sociology of our species, humans that is, that's a social word. Human is a sociological word, not a biological word. The biological word is our species. The humans is a social, but nonetheless, let's go to A. The biology of our species, sociology of our species, culturology of our species. Number 4, the his story and her story of our species, accumulated science and or knowledge and knowing of all there is and is not the case of the totality of the universe and the heavens and beyond. Not presumption, assumption, hearsay, conjecture, opinion, belief, untested hypotheses, or non-scientific theories. But science, knowing. Let's continue. Each number below is the science of, or the sciences of, all of these listed, and then even more than this. We'll start with 1. The sciences of movies, theaters, picture, film, comic books, graphic novels, novels in general, fictional materials, etc. Number 2. The sciences of test materials and evaluation for education, classroom, security, language, arts, puzzles, music, painting, opera, stage, etc. Number 3. The sciences of recording, such as with disc, pencil and paper, and so forth, video accessories, TV mechanics, radio mechanics, etc. Number 4, the sciences of video game systems, legal and general law, finance systems of home, city, state, nation, international, large and small businesses, business management, sciences of economics, etc. Number 5, the science of paleontology, evolution of life, biology, genetics, physics, insects, arachnids, etc. Number 6, the sciences of mathematics, such as arithmetic, algebra, calculus, higher math, statistics, probability, geometry, trigonometry, etc. Number 7, the sciences of engineering, such as building bridges, making autos, drilling for oil, electricity, mechanical, engineering, electronics, computer engineering, patents, copyrights, inventions, etc. We'll go to technical matters such as the technical sciences of computer software and hardware, programming, languages, databases, etc. Now let's continue with this institution, universal institution that is, of science, which is continued here with number 8, the sciences of web development, chemistry, general and organic, geography, cartography, map making, topography, a form of map making, etc. Number 9, the sciences of weather and climate prediction and forecasting, weather and climate control, human being controlling the weather, animal taxonomy, plant taxonomy, bacteria taxonomy, fungi taxonomy. Number 11, the sciences of general ecology, biome studies, living nature studies, and writing about it, wildlife, birds, marine life, oceanography, etc. 11, the sciences of sports, games, sports, products and items, sciences of survival, nautical science, trains, etc. Number 12, nautical, about ships on the ocean and so on. Number 12, the sciences of maps and map making, travel, vacation, science of proper presentation of all things, maps of the flat earth, etc. Number 13, the sciences of books for toddlers, young children, teens, young adults from 20 to 30, older adults 31 to 125, toys, etc. The sciences of literature, accessories for babies, all the way up to 19 years old, etc. 15, the sciences of entertainment products, fashion, news, art, health, cooking, etc. Number 16, the sciences of EPS, that's electropropulsion ships or flying saucers, human languages, 3,000 base languages, and approximately between 2,000 and 3,000 dialects to those base languages. The science of journalism, news presentation and reporting, etc., etc., etc. And let's continue, please. Continued. Number 17, the science of politics, warfare, military, archaeology, science of her story and his story, etc. 18, the sciences of political science for civil, state, nation, international, conflicts such as wars, revolts, revolutions, ethnics, etc. Race, the sciences of political systems such as race, because race is not biological, it's political. Race such as includes Latin, black, white, native, indigenous, multicultural, etc. Number 19, the sciences of women's studies, feminism, drugs, legal as well as illegal. Number 20, the sciences of sociology, human sociology that is, sociology of every other single out species of 1.4, approximate 1.45 million different species approximately, notarized and categorized, so forth. Anthropology, etc. Number 21, the sciences of the study of religions, comparative religion, such as Hinduism, Christianism, Judaism, Buddhism, islanders, isms, let's see, continents of hundreds of religions, small and large, the far gone past and the present, such as, and also including atheism, Gnosticism, indigenous religions, etc. Number 22, the sciences of study of magic, consciousness, magic, folklore, let's see. Let's see, meditation, metaphysics, psychology, neuroscience, such as the study of anxiety, phobia, stress, conditions, disorders, etc. The study of scientific study of mythology, occult, paranormal, crystals, witch and warlock craft, auras, chakras, astrology. Number 23, the sciences of memory, all 18 human senses, sexology, human sexology that is, creativity, art therapy, dreams, sleep, etc. 24, the sciences of physical and mental disorders, death, family relationships, human that is, addiction, a diet, nutrition, pain, detox, health, yoga, alternative medicine, parenting, the science of parenting, the science of fertility, pregnancy, baby and infant care, birth, anti-aging, aging, women's health, men's health, cooking, eating utensils, foods, nutrition values thereof, etc. Number 25, the sciences of photography, design, fashion, sculpture, painting, architecture, sewing, knitting, performing art, literature, bookbinding, stagecraft, history, her story of every and all forms of art aspects, toys, upholstery, ceramics, glass, jewelry, I forgot, dilapidary or whatever, but furniture, very old furniture to new furniture, home repair and renovation, the science of woodwork, the science of carpentry, etc. Number 26, the sciences of building and house construction and design, textiles, needlework, crafts, sciences, etc. 27, the sciences of gardening, botany, landscaping and arranging and care, tree care, forest care, etc. 28, the sciences of complexity, systems, the physical, sciences of dimensions, universe, heavens, earth, life, spiritual, etc. Number 29, the sciences of travel in itself and how to make the means to do so, such as boats, planes, jets, helicopters, balloons, satellites, cars, bicycles, motorcycles, EPSs, electro-propulsion ships, flying saucers that is. And number 30, the sciences of military, such as bombs, guns, tanks, warships, all types, etc. Let's continue. Now, a few sciences of each universal institution. We'll start with number 1, art. Paints for painting, musical instruments, needles and sewing art, the print and printing system, the sciences of that, gardening design, the science of that. Number 2, economics. The science of money making, such as paper and metals, manufacturing, business systems, books and information disks, and so forth, products and sub-products and services for each sector. A sector is the largest. A sector is the largest division of an economy. The second to that is industries, then the companies that make up the industries. Number 3, education, the sciences of desks, books, info disks, pen and paper, school buildings, etc. Number 4, family, the science of baby accessories, food preparation, helping families in need, prenatal, birth, sciences of birth, the sciences of fertility, etc. Number 5, law, the science of organization of laws, courts and judiciary systems, medical, instruments, surgicals, needles and so forth, drugs and proper use, drug making, medical reference books, etc. Mass media, the sciences of TV, radio, newspaper, magazines, journalism, broadcasting, etc. Number 8, politics, the methods, ways, and means of people mind control, granting power, military, army, navy, etc. And their control of the masses, etc. We'll go to poverty, the universal institution of poverty. Universal institutions, these two universal institutions, poverty and religion, are the only two universal institutions that are not necessary, nor not necessary to exist. But they exist because all the other institutions are messed up. That's why they come into existence. Now, we'll go to poverty. The methods to stop poverty, as well the scientific methods to keep poverty going, etc. The sciences of religion. The sciences of televangelism, spreading beliefs, propaganda, Science of propaganda, control of the masses' minds using God, rituals, ceremonies, etc. We'll go to science now. The methods, ways, and means of gaining knowledge of all things. Number 12, let's see, spiritual. The sciences of meditation methods, means to spread the news of spiritual matters, etc. And I want to thank everyone for listening and watching, and please share this video and subscribe, and we will meet each other on the next video. I want to thank you again for listening and watching, and have a very, very fine day.